outboard prop rotation direction. With twins, each prop rotates in opposing directions. With a triple outboard setup, 2 of 3 props will rotate the same direction. Will this cause torque steer? Keith, you went into this a little bit, I remember a few episodes ago, especially on triple engine boats with it not being so symmetrical. So let's talk prop rotation because it's a good point.
Mm-hmm.
You know, you're going to get one of these going.
Yeah, they're going this way, and then the other one's going to probably be going in the regular rotation way. But no, you're not going to get torque steer. You're not going to feel it. You're not going to know it. And then I think what Nick's alluding to is like, say with trips, if you go to dock the boat with the sticks, if say you don't have a joystick boat, but you've got straight up just triple engines, right? When you engage both throttles forward, all 3 props are going to go forward. If you go into reverse with both the throttle handles, all 3 engines are going to go into reverse. If you just push, let's say, the starboard one forward, the only one that's moving is that outer starboard engine. Your center engine and your port engine are staying in neutral. So then if you put that port one into reverse, it's going to go reverse. Your starboard's still going forward. That center engine is still sitting in neutral. It's not doing anything until you actually put them both in gear and forward or both in gear and reverse. So, and that's still the same way. Think about this too. I don't care if it's a twin engine, a triple, a quad, whatever. When you're doing that, your forward propulsion, forward motor, forward engine is going to have more power. It's going to have more torque because the way the prop is cupped, it's grabbing more water than the one going in reverse. So you're probably going to have to bump your RPMs up just a little bit more in that reverse engine to compensate for the water that forward one is grabbing to make them balance out to get your spin rate, identical or going around the same. That's where if you do have the JPO, the joystick piloting systems, the computer takes over and it varies the RPMs and all that stuff and the thrust on those engines to where you will spin just in place, you just spins on the axis. It's an Axius system. So hope that helps, but you're not going to feel any kind of torque or pull or anything with that 2 out of the 3 both going one way.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, well, there you go. So to recap, are the outboard ones going to counter rotate and then the center one?
The center one's whichever way. It's probably just a regular rotation, but if you had a counter rotator on there, it wouldn't matter.
It wouldn't matter.